This is a really cool way for your dogs to tell you when they need to go outside. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of this doggy doorbell. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. If you have never taught your dogs to use bells or something like this to let you know when they need to go outside, oh my gosh, this is so nice when you have puppies and they learn to let you when they need to go outside. Yes, some dogs will just bark. My dogs tend to ring bells, but we're going to see if they can do this. So we're going to get this set up and show you guys how it works. So first, we're going to take the alarm part of this. This does have to be plugged in somewhere. I would suggest you have it plugged in somewhere where you hang out a lot. If that's your office, put it there. If that's your living room, put it there. If that's your kitchen, put it there. For now, we're putting it here to make things easy. It's plugged in and on. There is a power button on the side of this, so you can turn it off. There's also a volume control button, so you can set the ringer for however loud you want it to be. And then the top button here on the side is all of the sounds you can go through. And there is a lot of sounds that you can go through. That one kind of sounds like a doorbell. What do you think? Should we leave it at that one for now? All right, let's do that. And then this is the puck. So when your dog pushes this, and it really does not take a lot of pressure at all, it's gonna go off. And we're gonna know that the dogs need to go outside. On the back of this, there is already some hook and loop, like you can see it here. So you can stick this to your wall and then stick it to the wall, or you can put it on the floor. I highly recommend starting with it down low on the floor. Some dogs will do really good with this with their nose. Others are gonna do better with a touch, where they're gonna wanna step on it. Do you wanna show everybody that you know how to use one of these? Yeah, it's a button. Push it. That you're close. You're close, you can do it. Memphis, can you touch? She's like, no. How about you, Elle? Touch. Yeah, good girl. Good job. So you can slowly start off with that touch command with your dogs so that they know to touch, that you want them to touch this. And then over time, you're going to take it, and you can see I have bells here. My dogs ring these bells when they want to go outside. So for me, I will probably be putting this on the wall right here or in the middle of these bells, and they're going to touch this instead. Hear it? When they need to go outside. And like I said, this isn't like a button. I'm barely touching this. Like you can, so there is a little bit, and there was a little bit more pressure. I barely touched it, and it actually goes off. That's pretty cool. So for practice, I have it Velcroed to the rug there. Yes, good girl. Did you hear it go off? Okay, here you go. I'm gonna open the door. You can go out there. See you later, bye. You wanna try it? Touch. 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 I'm not doing it for you. You have to do it on your own. If you want to go out there, you got to touch it. You got this? And sometimes you can take their paw and set their paw on it. A lot of times if I just do this, they'll kind of figure it out on their own. Kira, you know what touch means. You know what I'm asking you to do. Touch. Good job! All right, here we go. I'll open the door. I'll let you out. Eleanor's like, I'm going first. Ready? Okay, see how she rang the bells? Kira, right here. Right here. Do this instead. Touch this. And I'll let you out. She's like, I know what I'm supposed to do. So for me, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to retrain them to use this. Touch. Yeah, good girl. There you go. Go on out there. So she did it. So like I said, it's going to take me a little while to retrain my dogs to go from that to this. But if you're just starting out doing this, this is pretty cool. So in conclusion, I would say this is a win. It's going to take a little bit for my dogs to figure it out, but I like that I can plug that in anywhere I am, and it will let me know that they need to go outside. Totally recommend this. What do you think? Touch? Touch? Good job. Recommend this.